Evaluate and compare the features of the following 5 travel websites. Hotels.com. Continue. Then allow. Going to. Then let's say El Nido. Then dates. Travel is other events. Okay. One children. Okay. Search. Then mag-a-apply yan. Yung mga pwede nating rentahan or pag-stayan together with their price. Then ayan, i-score mo lang para lumabas. Then pagbaba mo naman, nakikita mo yung mga beach, nature, sky, family, wellness, and relaxation. Then trips, finger booking, and back, inbox, message. Then laban natin ang discover lang. Then message, accounts, so profile, communication, payment methods, etc. Sending, and then lalabas lahat ng informations. Then yeah, opens that and review, security setting, and legal, help and feedback, chat back, and that's it. Next, Travigo.com. Allow notification, allow log in account, and continue with Google. Continue. Then destination, let's say budget, ilang days, so 1 to 15, April 1 to 15. And room, adults, children. Then apply. Then nag-a-apply ngayon yung available na hotel. Papasok dun sa hinahanap mo. Then together with your price, wala naman po favorites, and back, setting, language, currency, etc. So malaking tulong yan para malaman mo yung price. Then pataw natin itong notification bell. Then pwede kang mag-rate yan then loyalty deals, and that's it. Kayak.com, then continue, allow, then continue with Google. Continue with Google, continue as candidate. Then from, let's say for example, to Cebu, to let's say Baguio, then date, let's try 17 to 24. Kung mag-a-apply dyan yung anong araw yun, which is Thursday rather. Then pwede ka mag-apply dyan kung ano yung pwede mong kasama, or pwede dyan yung student club, etc. Then pwede ka dyan mamili economy ba or premium, business or first class. Then okay, and stop. Then Explore Manila, search. Then labas naman dyan, search. Ibaba natin best, syempre. Then done. Then Mastercards, Visa, debit, apply. Then so lalabas pa yung pwede mong puntahan together with your price. So makikita mo rin dyan yung map, yung price. Sa tips naman, then continue to Google, then continue, scan it over, continue, then I want, then click continue, apply, then back, then back again. So yun naman tayo sa personal details, account, preference, price, alert, kayak, price, trips, region, currency, hub, etc. And add yung importance, and that's it. Then Expedia.com, then get started, continue on same with Google, and cannot learn, continue, and allow, and then check natin kung nasa baba. So spawn, and then let's say space, try natin sa vacation, we're going to Makati, and date, and flight and car, then leaving from Cebu, search. Then tignan natin yung map. So yung traffic sa paligid ng pupuntahan natin, which is yung Makati. Back. Then enter origin, which is Cebu. Back flights. Going to cars. Then package. Things to do. Going to that. Then pwede ka mag-add ng date para mas convenient. Then back. Then to search tips, inbox, message, account. So talaga siya yung personal information mo. Pwede ka rin makain dyan ng points. Credit, reviews, security setting, legal helps, feedback. Then that's it. Next is booking.com. Then to save. Continue with Google. And Kenneth Hogger. Then try natin yung location is Puerto Princesa. And 8. Try natin is 10 to 23. Select dates. Then room, 1 room, 2 adults, and flight. Travel Mart and bills for weekend offers, great ideas or for you. So you can save alerts, then booking cards, taxes, may account. So pwede ka rin makain dyan ng points. Then so dito ko muna setting etc. Provides wallet and pick up taxi. So ayan, pwede ka mag-book ng taxi. Attractions, where going, then pwede ka rin lay ng date para mas convenient. Then property, customer service, and back, and want to be notified. Search method, let's skip. Booking.com. Basa accommodation selection, user-friendly interface, strong customer support, and loyalty program. Venus. Trivago.com. Meta-search engine comparing hotel price from multiple sites, excellent for finding the best deals. Hotel.com focuses on hotel booking, offering a reward program 1 key with 3 nights. Expedia.com, comprehensive platform booking flights, hotels, cars, and activities, also has a loyalty program. Kayak.com, travel search engine comparing price across various platforms, useful for finding deals but doesn't have a book directly.